On this episode of Multi-Talented Megan Adventures, Key West to Canada. Welcome to day 4, and the plan today is to go out on a boat into the ocean and Advance Certify as a mermaid. So we'll see how the day goes. Gotta get up, gotta get down to the boat before it leaves. I have no footage from it, but I did stop at the grocery store, the gym, and a fast food restaurant before heading out to the boat. I was not the only person on the boat. We had at least 3 other people who were students and 3 other instructors. And then we also stopped at 2 places to do different dives. Same rules as yesterday. If you watched day 3, I am not allowed to film or record any of my training, and I actually got to not feeling well, so nothing got recorded with me in the ocean, unfortunately. I just got done with Advanced Mermaid, and I actually don't feel very well, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with the rest of my day. I gotta see how much time traffic is back to my hotel, or whether I'm gonna try to do something else. That's what I got. I ended up going straight back to the hotel, and this was what was happening next to my car in the hotel parking lot. It's been a super busy day, so I'm going to show you around of everything I've been working on. So that white bag and clear bag, that's the summer t-shirts, but I seem to not want to wear t-shirts because my arms burn, but those need to come out. That other tall bag has my winter clothes in it, so those need to be worked on. There's my smartwatch's charging cable is in this bag, needs to still be pulled. These are the pajamas and other clothes for tomorrow that I haven't even gotten to yet. And then this actually doesn't fit my phone, so I'm gonna have to give it to somebody. This is a bag full of projects that I need to work on. There's 2 things that need to be sewed. I have a glove that needs to be sewed, and then my scuba bag ripped. That's my laundry bag. There's my cooler that I loaded into the fridge. Shoes. Okay, so I tried on this pair of shoes. They are very uncomfortable right here, and I'm debating if I should get rid of them. I decided I'm going to tape here and see if I can't make this part not hurt. I still need to sort my vitamins into their containers for the week. I've got mask, and this is the stuff that stayed dry mostly for my scuba gear. My scuba gear still needs to be packed into. I had to clean this bag and redo it because the deodorant sticks melted. So I had to clean out all the glycerin-y, gooey mess. And then over here we have all my scuba gear that's hanging up the best I could. The fins were up a few moments ago, but they have fallen. And the boots are upside down. I need a better way to hang them, and then my snorkels here. Everything, oh, the bag that ripped, there's its shoulder strap that ripped, and there's pants. So everything is now washed, hanging up to dry. I'm now clean, and there's still more to do. There's sewing to do, and I just got clean, and I think it's the microwave. It's right. It's already 10. No, can't be right. I don't know what time it is, but it's late. There, come over where you can see me. Yeah, it's late, so I still have a lot more to do tonight. I haven't had dinner. I got a lot more projects, so hopefully I have a good night. This is the end of day 4. I am a certified mermaid. Yay! And we'll get the car. Oh, and I completely went through the whole car and cleaned and sorted. The cooler had been leaking, caused actually a mold problem, so cleaned all that out. Trying to get everything back in its home, and then of course the scuba gear takes up a large portion of the back, so once it's dry it goes back into its home. A lot to do. This is a glove. It's inside out. It has hydrocortisone on it because I'm supposed to be putting that on my hands. It's dirty right now, but it has a hole. This is the thumb, and it's got a hole over here, so I'm going to take a moment to sew that up. It didn't record the sewing process, but glove complete. It's not perfect, but that's where the hole was. and it's closed now, so yay. I have a really bad ingrown toenail at the bed down here, and I'm trying to find a podiatrist that will put the acid onto here to kill this little bit down here off. I've had it done when I was a teenager, which was years ago, and I just need it done again. I'm having trouble finding a podiatrist that will do it for me. So in the meantime, I am cutting this little bit down here out because it's painful. So I pry it up, and I'm gonna put the camera down and use scissors and cut this part out. My hair naturally curls when it dries, so I caught 2 cute selfies. This is not exactly what I did, but this is really close. Coming up on Multi-Talented Megan Adventures, Key West to Canada. Hey, you're still here. Please like and subscribe for tomorrow's episode.